Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable the touch screen on your Windows device. So assuming your device is touch screen capable, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable that feature. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Type in Device Manager. Best result should go back with Device Manager listed directly above Control Panel. Go ahead and left click on that. You want to go down to select the Human Interface Devices and double click on it. Now, if your device is touchscreen capable, you want to locate something that says HD Compliant Touchscreen. Again, HD Compliant Touchscreen. You'd right click on it and select Disable Device. Again, I don't have that in my case. I don't have a touchscreen here, but if you did, again, you're looking for something that says HD Compliant Touchscreen, and you'd right click on it and select Disable. You will need to restart your computer, and then that should hopefully be about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.